students. Welcome back to our new maths lesson. Workbook I am going to do. I hope you had already seen the videos of lesson number 9, halves and quarters. The teacher had explained very clearly. So, with the help of that, we can do our workbook easily. So, for the time being, you open your workbook. Today I am going to explain page number 74 and 75. So get ready. You can start doing the work when I will explain. First listen, then do in your workbook itself. And lesson number 9, notebook notes the teacher will send within few days. So today we are going to start our workbook chapters. And one more thing, December last you will have the terminal exam. So the portions which we had covered, lesson number 1 to 7 lessons. Already we had sent the worksheet also, most of the lessons, and 6 lessons worksheet also we had sent. So 7th lesson only remaining, that also we are explaining, and notes also given, workbook also completed, so you can practice that also. So today we can let us start our workbook. First question, look at on the screen. Identify the fractions. What do you understand by fractions? Already the teacher had very clearly explained. A whole object or a whole figure we can divide into equal pieces or equal sections. Whether it will be 2 equal parts, then we will say half. And if 4 equal parts, we will say 1/4, 1/4 parts. If 3 equal parts, we will say 1/3 part. Like that, we can divide the whole object into equally. So, first question, see on the screen, what fraction of the following shapes are shaded? So, you can see here the uh, some figures are given on the screen. In your workbook, very clearly you can see the whole rectangle is divided into 4 equal parts. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. And our question is, what fraction of the following shapes are shaded? Here 2 parts are shaded. So you can see how I had written. How many parts shaded? That divided by or upon 4. Total parts is 4. So 2 upon 4. But 2 upon 4, we can simplify it into the smallest fraction. When we will write, always we will reduce the form of the fraction we will write. So 2 and 4, 2 can easily divide 4 also. So I had cancelled and written 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So the correct number is 1 upon 2. Now, second number you can see, B. A triangle shape is given and one part is already colored or shaded. So we can say 3 out of 3 parts, one part is colored. So 1 upon 3. Now, next one, C. A circle is given. Circle is divided into 4 equal parts and one part is already colored. So what we will write? 1 upon 4 or 1/4. Now here you see this rectangle is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 small checks are given. Out of that, one part is colored, so we can write 1 upon 8. How many portion is colored? That upon total number of parts. So first one answer is 1 upon 2. Actually it is 2 upon 4. You will see and will write 2 upon 4. But 2 upon 4 is equivalent to 1 upon 2. That means 2 and 4, if possible, we can simplify. So 2 will go into 1 time. 2 will go in 4 2 times. So the answer will be 1 upon 2. Now second question, what fraction of the following are shaded? Here you see each one. First case, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 figures are given, 6 ball is given, and out of that 2 are completely shaded. So we will write 2 upon 6. Again you see 2 upon 6 I had written, but it is equivalent to 1 upon 3. Why? 2 and 6 common factor is 2. 2 can divide 6 also. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So the answer will be 1 upon 3. Simplest form. If you will write 2 upon 6 is also answer right, but always fraction we will write in the simplest form. Now like that second number, here some dolls are given. Total number of dolls you can count, it is 8 dolls are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of that, how many are shaded? First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I had written 5 upon 8. Here 5 upon 8 we cannot do anything because 5 cannot divide with 8 exactly. So we will write 5 upon 8. Next one, how many stars totally given? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these 4 uh, stars already given. So total 8. Out of that first 4 are shaded. So 4 upon 8. Again 4 and 8. 4 twos are 8. So 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So answer is 1 upon 2. First you can write 4 upon 8. And 4 can be divided 8 also. So 4 will go in 4 one time. 4 will go in 8 two times. So answer is 1 upon 2. Hello. Then come to the next page, page number 75. Had you seen one question, third question? Look at on the screen also. Tick mark the shapes that are shaded 3 upon 4 in each of the following. Here some figures are given, A, B, C, D, E, F. So all these figures, some parts are shaded. So our question is, if 3 upon 4, that means 3 parts out of 4 parts are shaded, which figures that we can tick mark? So first one, see that here, first one, total 4 parts are there, but 2 parts are only shaded. So 2 upon 4, that means 1 upon 2. So it's not possible. Here you see 1, 2 and 3 and 1 portion is remaining. So here total 4 parts, out of that 3 parts are shaded. So we can tick mark second one, B. Now third one, here you see total 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there. Out of 2 parts are again shaded, 2 parts are blank. So it is 2 upon 4, so 1 upon 2, it's not possible. Here this triangle shape 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. Out of that 3 parts are shaded. So we can tick mark, this is also 3 upon 4. So B and D are correct answer. Then E and F also you see here. 4 parts are there. Out of that these 2 are shaded, 2 are blank. So it's not possible. This is 2 upon 4, that means 1 upon 2. Our question is 3 upon 4. Now here one full circle, out of that half portion given 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 parts are shaded. So it is not possible. So which is the correct answer? B. Here 3 parts are shaded and here D also 3 parts are shaded. So 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4. So correct answer tick mark. Now like that, fourth question, shade half of each of the following shapes. Here students, this is your activity actually, but then also I had just shown, you can also do like that. I had written homework, do yourself, because you have to shade half of each of the shapes. So here exactly through the middle you draw one line, you will get two equal parts. So here I had shaded this figure, this side I had shaded, this figure I had shaded these two, one portion, and here I had shaded this. You, upon your wish, you can do it, but exactly half portion you can shade it. So this you do yourself. You can use colors also for shading. Now next question, which part of the whole is shaded? Here first you have to count the total number of columns or the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 parts are there. Out of that, first 3 parts are shaded. So, which part of the whole is shaded? 3 upon 6. So, 3 upon 6, it is greater fraction. So, we can simplify 3 and 6. Common factor is 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So, we can write 1 upon 2. Next one, in this figure, total 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there and one part is shaded. So 1 upon 4. Here in this figure, total 3 parts are there, 1, 2 and 3. One part is shaded. So I had written 1 upon 3. Now D, here this figure, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there. Out of that, 3 parts are shaded. So it is 3, 4. So 3 upon 4. And in this case, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts are there. And one part is already shaded. So I had written 1 upon 5. So students, you have to do, you first you listen carefully when teacher is explaining, just listen, then you can start doing your work. When I am explaining that time, don't do it. First listen how the teacher is explaining, how she had written the answers, then go through it properly, then you can sit and complete your work, because workbook already space is given, so you can do there only, no need of doing in another page, same page you can do it. And here one clue given, just to read that, if the fraction is 1 upon 2, then 1 is its numerator and 2 is its denominator. Any fraction, 2 parts are there. In this case, you can see 1 upon 3. So 1 is numerator, 3 is denominator. If 1 upon 4, 1 is numerator, 4 is denominator. So like that, any fractions, 2 parts are there. We can say upper number is known as numerator, lower number is known as denominator. So students, today I had already done 2 pages, 74 and 75. I hope you can also complete today itself. We will continue our chapter tomorrow. We will do 76 and 77 page number. So today complete your work. We will meet again. Goodbye.